Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back to your girl channel. Today I'll be doing another juice with me segment, and this is gonna be natural and beneficial to you, so stay tuned. So I have a few fruits here that I will be juicing today, and then I'm going to add the main ingredients to make this all natural and healthy and 100% effective. So we're gonna start off with our oranges. So I just peeled the orange. So we're just gonna start juicing the oranges. The oranges are finished juicing, and this is all the juice that I got from those nice big oranges. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to juice the kiwi, and I did peel them already, so I'm just going to start juicing the kiwis. Okay, so after the kiwi, we're gonna go in with our grapes. So it's time to juice our grapes. Okay, so now we finished juicing all of our fruits. So here I have some ginger, and I'm using the Jamaican ginger, and I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons. And I have juiced my lemon, and I'm adding 1 lemon. And also I'm going to be adding some red wine vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, that would be good as well. So I'm adding about a tablespoon of the red wine vinegar and just stir that in. You can add the apple cider vinegar. And this is your mix. It is completed. Just drink this on an empty stomach every morning. Drink every morning on an empty stomach, and this will be beneficial to you. I promise you. You're gonna tell me 100% that it works.